first let's talk about the tense. If someone is very beginner, they don't know anything about English, so first they need to understand what is tense. So tense means it is time, where we describe there are tenses means it is time, like present time, present past, or present past continuous. These are three tenses. This is the basic, and we have to start from there, like present, past, future. Present tense, like whatever we do, usually whatever we do we called प्रेजेंट टेंस. लाइक मैं खाता हूँ, आई ईट. मैं पानी पीती हूँ, आई ड्रिंक. वह स्कूल जाता है, इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ यूजुअल थिंग्स दैट वी डू एवरी डे. सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट टेंस. लाइक लेट्स मेक 10 sentences related to this sentence. I drink water, he plays cricket, she goes to school, she goes to market, I go to my computer class, I take a bath. She eats food. She goes to the market with her mother. She plays Ludo. She talks about English. She thinks a lot. She speaks a lot. She meets with her friends every day. She eats fruit every day. Like whenever we use sentence with I, like I drink water, many people what they do, they speak I drinks water. This is entirely wrong sentence. With I we should not use as with verb, right? So whenever we speak, whenever we talk about I drink water, we should not use s with this object, subject. With this with I subject we should not use s with verb, right? So let's talk. I read books. Many people I reads book. It's completely wrong. I read a book. She, and yes, whenever we talk about she, he, in both subjects we should use as with verbs, and with I we should not use as. I go to school every day, I drink water, I eat food. But focus, when we talk about she or he, we always use as with verb. So she eats food, he goes to school. Like see, when I said that I go to school, this is right sentence. But if I speak like this, I goes to school, it is wrong. It is completely wrong sentence. The right sentence will be I go to school every day. But when we talk about she or he, she goes to school, she talks her friend, he goes to school, he eats food, he drinks water, he plays cricket. Generally we talk about simple present tense for daily routine, daily habits, general truths. Usually what we use every day, what we do every day. So that time we use simple present tense. So let's move forward towards negative simple present. How do we use that kind of sentence? So first, like मैं नहीं खेलता हूँ, I do not play, and in short form you can say I don't play. Whenever, like I don't, मैं नहीं खाता हूँ, I don't eat, I do not eat, I don't eat, I do not eat, I don't eat. मैं पानी नहीं पीता हूँ, I don't drink water. मैं बाजार नहीं, I don't go to the market. मैं बाजार नहीं जाता हूँ. मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ नहीं खेलता हूँ, I don't play with my friends. मैं उससे बात नहीं करती हूँ. I don't talk with him or with her, whatever gender there are. So this is how with I we should use I do not. When we talk about he or she, like in negative sentence, like वह नहीं खेलती है, she doesn't play, वह खाना नहीं खाता है, he doesn't eat food, वह क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता है, he doesn't play cricket, वह मार्केट नहीं जाता है, he doesn't go to the market, वह बैडमिंटन नहीं खेलती है, she doesn't play badminton. So with he or she we should use does in both subject we should use does. But when we talk about I, consciously we should use do not. When we talk about he or she does not, he or she does not I with. So now let's talk about question type of sentence, right? So let's see, like I say, do you play cricket? Do you play ludo? Does she eat food? she दोनों सब्जेक्ट के साथ सेम ही है, बट when we use do we do और does को आगे रखना है. और when we make sentence question kind of sentence like do you play, क्या तुम खाना खाते हो? Do you eat food? क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो? Do you play cricket? सी कैसे do को आगे में फिट करना है. उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट, फिर वर्ब, फिर ऑब्जेक्ट. सो subject means I, you, we, he or she. This is called subject. And object you already know. And be careful about one thing, many people make mistake. Like suppose that does she eat food? So that time when we use does, we should not use s with verb. ईट के साथ एस नहीं लगाना. मैनी पीपल मेक मिस्टेक इन दैट सेंटेंस. सो लाइक आई ईट फूड, इसमें नहीं लगाना है. शी ईट्स फूड, बिकॉज इसमें डज नहीं आया. डज, शी ईट्स फूड. व्हेन वी डोंट यूज डज, देन वी कैन यूज वी यूज एस विद वर्ब. लाइक ईट के साथ एस लगाना है. इट मीन्स ईट्स, ही ईट्स फूड. एंड लेट्स मेक अनदर सेंटेंस. डज ही ईट फूड? दिस इज राइट सेंटेंस. इट डजंट मीन दैट डज ही ईट्स फूड. इट्स रॉन्ग. डज, जब हम डज लगाते हैं आगे में ही के साथ ईट में हमें एस नहीं लगाना है. जब भी डज लगाते हैं एस नहीं लगाना है, क्योंकि एस जो है वो डज के साथ जुड़ जाता है. डज, DOES, डज. इट मीन्स एस ऑलरेडी इज हियर. यू शुड नॉट यूज अगेन विद वर्ब. सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू 3 types of multiple sentence and you have to write in comment. Let's see how many people make correct sentence. And these video, like these contents are for beginners who don't know how to speak even single sentence in English. So it will boost your confidence if you know something and you make right sentence. So it would boost your confidence, right? So let's give you. वह खाना खाता है 1. वह पानी पीती है. वह क्रिकेट खेलता है 3. मैं जंक फूड नहीं खाता हूँ. मैं रोज़ नहीं खेलता हूँ. वह चावल नहीं खाता है. क्वेश्चन काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस. क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो? क्या तुम आम खाते हो? क्या तुम स्कूल जाते हो? क्या वह पानी पीती है? So you have to make this kind of sentence and you have to give your answer in my comment box. I will check. So this is enough for present simple tense, and after watching this video maybe little bit confusion you must be